Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If you've forgotten your iPad passcode and need to perform a factory reset, or if you're looking for ways to erase it without iTunes or a passcode, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 reliable methods to reset your iPad. Let's get started. Method 1. Factory reset directly from your iPad. If you know your password, you can reset your iPad using this method. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPad. Then select Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Sign in with your Apple ID to turn off Find My and confirm the reset. Your iPad will erase its data, restart, and return to factory settings. This method is quick and does not require a computer, as long as you have your Apple ID credentials and a Wi-Fi connection. Method 2. Use the Forgot Passcode option. No passcode needed. If your iPad is running iPadOS 15.2 or later, and you can still operate it, you can reset it directly from the lock screen. Keep entering the wrong passcode until you see Forgot Passcode at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to begin the reset process. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password to sign out, then tap Erase iPad to confirm. Once the reset is complete, your device will restart and you can set it up as new or restore from an iCloud backup. Method 3. Use Tenorshare for UK. If you forget your password and the Forgot Password option is not displayed, you can reset your iPad using a computer. Tenorshare for UK is a user-friendly tool that works with most iPhone and iPad models. Connect your iPad to the computer. After installing the software, open it and choose Unlock I/O Screen. Follow the on-screen steps to put your iPad into recovery mode. Press volume up, press volume down, then hold the power button until it shuts off and restarts in recovery mode. Download the required firmware package and click Start to begin the reset. The process usually takes around 10 minutes. And once your iPad restarts, the factory reset will be complete. Method 4. Use iTunes or Finder. If you prefer using Apple's built-in tools, you can reset your iPad through iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPad to the computer and put it into recovery mode. iTunes or Finder will detect that there's a problem with the device and offer to restore it. Choose Restore, download the software, and wait for the process to finish. Once completed, your iPad will restart and return to factory settings. Method 5. Factory reset through Find My. If Find My iPad is enabled and the device is online, you can erase it remotely. On your iPhone or visit iCloud.com. Open the Find My app, go to Devices, and choose the iPad you want to erase. Tap Erase this device. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm. And the reset will begin. After the device restarts, the factory reset will be complete. And that's all. These are 5 effective methods to factory reset your iPad. Remember that all methods will erase your data, so if you don't have a backup, your information may be lost. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.